Okay, let's see what we got. This is for the 2006 Scion XA I have. I'm putting it back together after I replaced the clutch, and I'm doing a couple things to get a little bit more power out of it. Just throwing some new parts on there a little bit. This is the Apexi Power Dual Funnel Air Cleaner Intake. This guy here. Toyota BB, WILL, VI, IST. Those are all the Japanese names for the XB, and the IST is the Yaris/XA. NCP 15, I want to say. I'm forgetting. But yeah, the 1NZ FE engine, the 1.5 liter, and the 2NZ FE, which is I think the 1.2 liter. I may be wrong on that. Might be a 1 liter. That's the Japanese engine, the 2-wheel drive. The US got the 1NZ FE, which is a 1.5 liter. In Japan, they only got the 1NZ FE in their car if they had the all-wheel drive, I believe. So the Scion XA in Japan is called the IST, and it came with all-wheel drive. So my car actually does have a center tunnel for a rear drive shaft. Those parts are available in Japan only to set up the all-wheel drive. I'm not going to do that. I thought about it, but a 1.5 liter 100 horsepower engine attached to all-wheel drive just kind of sounds miserable. It doesn't sound like it'd be very fast or fun. Maybe it would be, but I'm going for fast on the road, so I really don't need that. And we don't have snow here except for maybe once or twice a year for a day. So anyway, what this is a very short ram air intake. This is your provision for your MAF. And then you got this. You literally, that's it. Or actually it's this way around, I think. Yeah, it bolts to that like that. It's super short, but it's a straight shot into the engine. So, I don't know. Probably it'll just make it a little bit louder. Maybe pick up a horsepower or two, who knows. Anyway, no big deal. I got a good price on this because surprisingly, they're not in very high demand anymore. So I got a good deal. And the instructions are all in Japanese, which I do not know how to speak or read. So I'm going to have to just guess based off of that diagram. And yeah, no, that's not exactly how it's... So this is how they want you to install it, with the tube that goes up, the plastic tube. I have it, but I'm not going to go run and get it. And then put the filter up here. That's not what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick it right onto the throttle body. So yeah, it's going to be installed a little different than the instructions anyway, so that's that. That'll be fun. And then I got myself an Optima battery because the battery that was in the car was a used battery, and it was spilling battery acid all over the frame of the car. And while it did that, it rusted out the frame of the car very bad. So, not exactly happy about that. So I got a new battery. I always wanted to get an Optima battery, try it out. So there's my expensive Optima battery. Yes, expensive. I don't like paying more than 60 bucks for a battery, but nowadays they're all, you know, 150, so yeah. Decided to go all out. So I got the Optima, got that funnel intake. One of the other things I'm doing, I've got a strut tower bar coming. and a underbody brace, and a couple other things.